Hello and welcome to the Smart Film School. You're going to love this introductory course. It's fairly complete with more than 100 lessons, and we'll begin by learning the elements and techniques for filmmaking without using any special equipment. And then we'll add the equipment when we want to improve the quality of our filmmaking or to solve specific problems. So let's look here at just some clips that were filmed handheld recently at a pottery store near Chicago. Notice how I'm using a variety of shots to document the scene, the process of pottery making. It's very analog, it's very beautiful. There's one teacher and two students, my daughters. And now in this selection, you're not going to see their faces, but of course I did film their faces. But for their privacy, you're not going to see them. I'm showing an older video app here called Clips. It was a great app because you can just see as you scroll through your clips which clips are used and which seconds of it. And it's a good visual metaphor for any video editing app we're going to be using. And in this course, we're primarily going to be focusing on iMovie. And in other courses like the Level 2 course in LumaFusion or in the Level 2 course on documentary filmmaking, we're going to show how you can take your smartphone footage and even edit it in professional editing programs, multi-track video editors to get the best results.